Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand how to identify the stock items with no movement using the dashboard in TallyPrime. Consider that you want to view the stock items for which no outward movement has happened during a specific period. Let's see how to do it. Press Alt+G. Type or select dashboard and press enter. Now, press Alt+A. Type or select top stock groups and press enter. Select the stock group. For instance, let's select primary and press enter. Press Alt+C to configure the tile. Under method of showing details, select lowest to highest and press enter. Under type of value, select outwards and press enter. Under type of info, select quantity and press enter. Now, enable show stock group/items with zero balance. You can also set the number of stock groups/items to display. Press Ctrl+A to save. You can now view the stock items with no movement in the top stock group tile. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.